organization around the state in their latest report says that the low rate of paroles granted in Alabama cannot be fully explained by a concern for public safety. The ACLU said that the Alabama Parole Board rarely granted paroles even for inmates placed on work release by the Alabama Department of Corrections. Work release inmates should be good candidates for parole if the ADOC has classified them as safely able to work in the community, the report said. They also state that while people may debate where the state should draw the line when it comes to who gets parole, there is the issue of equal protection under the law. That is, people in similar situations should be sentenced/treated similarly. However, the report says in Alabama, white applicants are more than twice as likely to be granted parole than black applicants, even when black and white applicants are similarly situated. From January to August this year, 2,731 hearings have been held. Of those, only 190 have been granted, which comes out to nearly 7% of applications for parole being granted. And according to the report, if we look at the racial disparities of 267 of those hearings that the ACLU looked at, white Americans had 93 applicants, where 11 of them were granted, bringing the grant rate to just below 12%, while black Americans had 171 applicants and only 8 were granted, which shows a grant rate of below 5%. Other race Americans had 3 applicants, but none of their applications were granted. State officials who have defended the parole board note that about 60% of inmates in Alabama prisons are classified as violent offenders. In a statement obtained by AL.com, Communications Director for Attorney General Steve Marshall says, "The Attorney General is grateful to the ACLU for highlighting his work to keep violent offenders behind bars and is proud to stand with crime victims," whose perspective was conspicuously absent from this report.